Thanks for stopping by your Mobile Tech. Today I have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and I'm going to be putting this case on the phone. This case is made by a company called Encased and they call it the Rebel series, this particular case. And it's the Rebel case and holster model number RB131BK-HL. And real quick to go over some of the features before I open it up, it says that you can drop your phone 10 feet with this case on it and your phone should survive. It has a rotating clip so that you can put the phone in portrait or landscape mode when you put it on your belt or when you just want to clip it to your shorts or your pants. It's supposed to have soft touch buttons. What that means is a lot of the new cases, the buttons, once you get the case on, the buttons are hard to press. You can't really feel where the buttons are, and you end up pressing the buttons extremely hard. This eliminates all of that. It has a built-in kickstand, and the website says that this particular case is being used by the U.S. Department of Defense, NASA, hundreds of different police and fire departments across the nation, as well as the military. So it must be pretty rugged, right? That's what I would think. What else can I say about this case is that it also says that it does not interfere with the wireless charging. Some of these cases you put them on and once you get them on, your wireless charger doesn't work or you got to fight to get it in that sweet spot or it charges extra slow because it has to fight through so much plastic or how many layers of protection that it has. Now this has a lifetime warranty and it's on the Encased website for $30. So with all that being said, let's get it open. Get it on the phone, see how we like it, and we're going to test out that wireless charging and see if their claims are true. Alright, so here's my Note 20 Ultra, and here's the case. So for now, let's set the phone to the side and open up this case here. Get something to open it up with. Set that out the way. Looks like a very simple design. This would be the case that's going to protect your phone, and it looks like it's just a snap-in design. And this would be your holster. And here's the rotating clip. You can rotate it not only at 90 degrees, but at several different angles to suit your need. And then once your phone is in, it snaps in place here, nice and tight. You can hear that. Seems pretty secure. Let's get it on the phone and see how we like it. So here's my Note 20. Pretty simple, huh? Got quite a few fingerprints on it. Get those off real quick. You know how we hate those. Alright, so there it is. So let's try out that button that we're talking about. Here's the soft touch buttons here. Your volume rocker and your power button. Because as we know, the new Note 20 doesn't have a dedicated Bixby button. They got rid of that. And then your ports at the bottom for your, looks like, well, you got to kind of use your nail to get in there. But at least it's protected. And then you have your charging port, your speaker, your microphone. Alright, so let's try it out. Oh yeah, I like the way they feel. They click when you press them. You can still retain the clicking sound. Real good, I like it. And then of course, simply what you do is you put the bottom part in first. And then it just snaps into place. And that's it. Now this thing did say something about a kickstand, and I don't see a kickstand anywhere on here. It's a good looking case, I like it, but I wonder where's this kickstand feature. It's kind of a bummer. I was looking forward to a kickstand. My other case had a kickstand, and it was nice for propping the phone up. I like to say that as much as I like this case, I don't know if it's a deal breaker or not because I was looking forward to having my kickstand. When you pull over, you're having a burger and fries, you want to watch something. Well, you can't do that. Unless this is supposed to be a kickstand and I'm just not figuring it out. But I don't see how this is possibly a kickstand in any way, shape, or form. And you can't clip it in backwards. Wait a minute. There's something underneath here. Maybe there is a kickstand. There's something underneath here. Well, look at that. That's your kickstand. So the kickstand is actually a metal prop that pushes against the lever here and it creates a stand. I'm pretty impressed by that. And to get it to go down, you pull up on this gently and push it back down. That's it. What do you know? I'm really enjoying this. This feels really good, really premium quality. I like it a lot. And when your phone, if you can get this on camera, when your phone goes in here face forward, there's a microfiber piece of cloth here that protects your screen so it doesn't get scratched up like that. Now, I've had these cases before and these clips always break. This is supposed to be reinforced metal and it looks like it's pretty strong. It looks much stronger than the other ones I had. Oh, we said we're going to test out the wireless charging, so let's do that. Okay, so now I'm back with my Samsung wireless fast charger. I have a cable going into a fast charger block. Everybody calls them a block, but it's really a little transformer. But that's what this is plugged into. That's plugged into an outlet. So we're going to set this on here, and we're going to see if it picks it up. Picked it up right away. Fast wireless charging, 32%, 1 hour and 52 minutes until full. Now, just for the sake of experimenting, let's see what happens if I put it on kind of in a hurry. Works just fine. What if I just set it there? Didn't like that one too much, did it? But for most intensive purposes, it'll pick it up. Now, another way you can use this particular charger is this one converts into a stand. So let's try that. I don't know if you can get that on camera. Let me do it this way. Let me tilt it. And then we'll set it on there and see what happens. There it goes. It recognized it, wireless charging. So it works for this particular charger anyway, just fine. Okay, so there you have it. The Encased brand Rebel model RB131 BK-HL seems to be, at least for me, perfect. I like the holster. Some people don't like holsters. They like throwing their phone in their pocket or what have you. Women throw it in their purse. You see countless people walk around with their phone in their back pocket. I guess that's the hip way to do it or the trendy way to do it. I don't know. I prefer a holster. I ride a motorcycle, and this is very convenient to throw it on my hip. I can pull up in directions or Google places to eat or whatever I need to do. I just prefer a holster. That's just me, I guess. Anyway, I have managed to put this on the wireless charger, and I have it facing the camera so that you can get a better angle of it charging in the wireless charger and the stand-up function or the stand-up mode of the charger. And you can tell by there's a blue light here that indicates that it's charging. So it works. It's great. 30 bucks, lifetime guarantee, 10-foot drop. The buttons are just like they said. They feel very, very nice and soft to the touch. It feels like your regular buttons, but a little bit of protection on them, which is what you want. So with that being said, I think it's a great buy. If I were a person that was seeking a holster or even just a case, like say you didn't want to use a holster at all, you were one of the people that put it in their back pocket, this still feels nice and sleek, and it's not very girly. You know, I don't think too many women would particularly like this case. There's no bling to it. There's nothing like that. But for a guy, it has a real good military quality feel that you feel comfortable and pretty stylish about having this as your case. So with all that being said, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and if you have any comments, anything you think I can do to make my videos better, more interesting, be sure to leave those comments down below. I read them all. I respond to all of them. I take my time and do that because you guys are worth it. So until next time, thanks for stopping by your Mobile Tech and have a wonderful day.